our chairs will not roll on this floor. This is our game room, and I'm not sure if it's because the chairs are messed up or if it's because we need a rug of some kind to help them roll better. So I got this. And because it's a game room, I thought it would be super cute if we got a checkerboard. And I looked at so many rugs and read so many reviews and watched so many videos, and this is what I finally settled on. And whoa, unexpected. This is so soft and cushy. Wow, it's got a nice little cushion there. It may not roll over this very good, so I may have gotten the wrong thing, but I like it so far. Let me get this laid out. It is huge. That's the thing, is I can't tell sizes. When I'm looking at these, like, well, how big is 12 inches? How big is 9 inches? I don't actually know how big this is, but I feel like it was 9 by 9. I could be wrong. And I'll put it on my title so you can see for yourself also. Oh, man, this thing is quite large and heavy. And this part right here is very nice and fuzzy. I like it. This is great for laying on. My dogs are going to love this. So will my cats, for that matter. Wow, this thing is huge. And it was a really great value considering the size. Also, my dog's toenails clack everywhere and it drives me bonkers. And I'm in this room a lot. So now she can get on this and hear it. And her nails won't be clacking. Wow. It is massive. I'm still getting it set up. Oh, it's very silky feeling. Let me pull it back a little bit because, can you believe that? How big it is? Unexpected. I love it when that happens. Sometimes I get it in its miniature and I'm like, oh, this is a backdoor mat. Have you ever done that? And this is not the case. This is bigger than a king-size bed. Oh my goodness, it feels so good underfoot. I'll put it right up against my fireplace there. I love it. It's gorgeous. All right. What do we think? Let's walk it. This is my foot. Well, obviously you can tell that's my foot. My foot is about the size of a square, slightly larger. If that tells you anything. I wear a size 5 shoe-ish. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and a half. It's very, very big. There's the end of it. Huh. If you were expecting a small rug, you will not get it. It's seriously very soft with the grippy part on the back. And it's got in between there, feels like a layer of cushiony softness. Fantastic for a kid's playroom.